Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the volume flex on the iPhone 11. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen and gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Once the screen is free, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, undo 5 screws to remove the LCD connector shield. Next, Remove the battery connector shield by undoing 3 screws. Be gentle with LCD cables while unscrewing. Once the shields are removed, first disconnect the battery connector. Then unplug the LCD connectors, followed by the APS assembly plug from the logic board. Now free the screen from the body. Next, take out the not working volume button flex from the body. First, take out the battery from the body. To remove the battery, extract the adhesive from the battery. There are 2 sticky tabs, one on the top and one at the bottom. Gently peel and extract the adhesive using your fingers. Please note the number of sticky tabs can change from phone to phone due to previous repair history. If you have accidentally damaged the sticky tabs, gently use a pry tool to lift the battery from the body. Next, undo the screw holding the mute button and disconnect the volume and mute button connector plug. Next, gently pry the rubber bracket from the side of the frame. Next, disconnect 2 screws holding the volume flex and also 1 screw on the mute button. Next, apply heat to release the adhesive holding the flex connector and gently pry it from the body. Be gentle with this process. Next, carefully install the new volume flex and mute button onto the side of the frame. Start by gently positioning the volume button board into place. Then insert the mute switch into its socket. This process will take some time, so proceed with patience and care. Make sure the entire flex and button are securely seated within the frame. And double check the connector head is properly aligned and connected. Next, secure the volume flex and mute button by adding 4 screws. Next, fasten the connector plug and then secure the bracket by adding the screw. Next, place and secure the battery with the adhesive. Next, add the pre-cut photoseal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the earpiece flex plug. Then secure both LCD connector plugs. Once they are secure in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the LCD connector shield by adding 5 screws. And the battery connector shield by adding 3 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the frame and gently press down to lock it in place. And then work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure a proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.